welcome to my second video for Numpy. So this is a video that we are going to look at slicing. So how do we slice part of the elements from a particular array, and maybe just remain with fewer elements from that original array. So this is what we call slicing. Okay, so as usual, remember that this is a package. It is called Numpy. So what you need to do is always import this. Okay, so importing a particular package is going to help us make it available and also be activated. So we're going to say import numpy. Okay, so we can import numpy as the whole package just by its name, or we can actually define the name of this numpy. So the standard is np. Okay, so now we are going to create now a variable, or rather just an array. So this is going to be array is equal to np. Now this time around I'm not using numpy as the package name. So now the package name has been defined as np. So numpy array equals to np, which is a numpy dot, and then that particular, we can call it a function. Okay, and then now we can put in the elements just in the way we use list in Python. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, maybe just up to 7. Okay, so what this means, is that this now variable contains these elements or these numbers. Okay, so now what you can do now is we can slice. Okay, we can just maybe take this part of an array, the elements maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, and then remove the rest of those elements. So now what you're going to do is we're going to say print, okay, the variable name. So slicing actually uses the angle bracket. So if we say that we want to slice, if I say 1, so maybe give me this is a starting slice number or index in terms of slicing. So I'm going to start on 1, index 1. So this is the first one is index 0, followed by the index 1. So meaning I'm going to get 2 going upward, and then I'm going to end on 4th. Okay, so this is where we have to be very careful, because the ending, that value in terms of ending. Okay, so if I say this is a 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3rd index, now the 4th index will not be included. That's just how the algorithm works. So just to give you what my output is going to be, so I'm going to have 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so I'm just going to get this, okay, and this and this. Okay, so then let's run the code. Okay, so this is what we predicted. So you can see we have the result 2, 3 and 4, and this is what we have. So we have sliced this part of an array, or rather the variable that contains an array of those elements. So we have sliced that, and we have reduced the size of an array. Okay, now the next thing that we can do is we can also slice, let's say print, and maybe array, and then maybe we just want to, if we don't put the starting number, okay, so in this case on the example below where we add 1 to 4, so this is the starting number, this is the ending number, which is not actually included. Okay, okay, so sometimes like I was saying, the first number here is just the start number, and then the second number is the ending number of the slicing. But again, the fourth, or rather, yeah, the fourth doesn't actually, we don't count it, so it is -1 of this. So it is only going to give us something like, it's 2, so it's going to be, in the normal sense, it's going to be 1, slicing 1 and 3, so only getting this part, so meaning these 2, 3 and 4. Okay, yeah, so this is what we had. So now on the, if you don't include the starting number, but we only include maybe the ending, okay, so this will get starting all the way from the first one all the way up to this one, but not including the 3. So in this case, what's going to happen is we're going to get 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2. Okay, so that's what you're going to get. Okay, so you run this code. Okay, so as expected, so 1, 2, 3, you can see that. And then now the other thing that you can do is if you don't put anything, okay, you just put like this. Okay, so I'm just more like going to return the entire array, or that the variable is just going to become the way it is. Okay, so this just return the full elements from the actual array. Okay, just return the same thing. Okay, now just to speak about when you say maybe you want to put what is called a step. For instance, for example, on line 7, we can also say so I can say that I'm going to say, maybe let's use 0, start from 0, and then go to the third one, but not including the third, and then step 2. So when you have something like 3, okay, when you have something like 3, the last number here, it represents the last number represents the step. So if I understand that from 0 I get 1, okay, and I also get 2, and then I also get so 0 1 2, but not including the third index. So I'm just going to get 1 2 3, but again I'm going to skip the step that I'll be incrementing is 2. So if I grab this one, I skip the one that is followed, and then I want to grab this one. So in this case I'm just going to get 1 1 and 2. Okay, I mean, so 1 and 3. Okay, so that's what I'm going to get. Okay, so you can see that I've only gotten 1 and 2. You can see the result there. Okay, so that's very fundamental. Okay, but if I put the step in as 1, and then what this is going to do is that it's just going to get 1 as the 0th index, and then the first index, and then the second index, excluding this one. But again, it's going to be stepping or skipping. If I grab this one, I'm going to get this one, I'm going to get this one. Okay, so in this case I'll just get 1 2 0 1 2. Yeah, so this is going to be, yeah, so just get 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, so that is basically about slicing. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Remember, support, subscribe, and also like this video.